We are here today to collectively condemn this BBM government as incapacitated in all aspects of governance. Where can you find a government that is in evil alliance with the enemies of the states who have killed thousands of our soldiers, policemen, and paramilitary, and use these enemies of the state as the attack dogs against their political enemies in exchange for big money which should have been used for health and educational scholarship to poor and deserving students, and above all, for the benefits of our soldiers and policemen. We call for the resignation of BBM to arrest further the damage to the economy and above all to our people. Let us unite in our call to respect the Constitution that provides procedure for succession in case of vacancy. Let us guard against the conglomerate of narco, oligarch, politicians supported by US to the maneuverings of the CIA calling for snap election, military junta, resign all Marcos and Duterte to pave the way for the formation of a council to run the Philippines. A consensus caretaker, as these are all against the Constitution, let alone a deceptions, no less a power grab. Let us all be alert and oppose any attempt to pose these deceptive machinations and plots. In unison, we will call on resign BBM, protect the Constitution, and to our AFP and PNP, withdraw now your support and arrest all drug addicts in our government and all those involved in massive corruption.